Hi there, this is Galen Martling. Today I'm here representing Unity Stamp Company with a lemon themed card. This is a mini slimline card and envelope that coordinates together. And so for the stamping, I'm using Unity Stamp Company Fresh Lemonade. That's a lemon stamp with leaves there. I'm going to go ahead and use Copic coloring for that one. Also, I'm using Chick Script Salutations. It's a die set that has that word in it, hello. It also has some more items in there that are great for card making. I'm using Pink Lemonade 6x6 paper pack by Unity. So the dies, the paper pack, and the stamp is all by Unity. I love that they have dies now. So exciting. So I am going to add lots of layers of different shades of Copic markers that are listed here and on my blog. I just used, I think, 2 or 3 yellow shades, and now I'm going in with like an ivory for the leaves and the buds there. For the leaves, I'm going to go ahead and add, I think, 2 or 3 layers of green in there just to give it some pop, some dark shade, and lighter in there. And so this is going to be the focal point for the card, but I'm also going to use lots of paper layers and other die cuts to accent this mini slimline card today. And so you can see that I have more of an olive color I'm adding as far as that green goes, and then I'm going to go in with a lighter shade to highlight the tips there. And it just really blends together when you use 2 or 3 shades of markers. You don't have to use Copics. Any markers will do as long as your ink is compatible with the color medium that you're going to use. And so I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut this, which is just cutting it out with scissors. I'm going to make a standalone lemon accent for the card. So I'm just cutting around the stamping. And then I will use a dark gray or a black Copic marker for the edges, just so that it gives a darker, more defined edge there, so I won't see any white on the sides. I just go ahead and make those black just to complement the ink for the stamping. Now I'm making a handmade envelope. It is for a mini slimline card by My Creative Time. The dies are by My Creative Time, and they are called cute dies. So if you want the mini slimline dies from Emma, they are called cute dies. And so the envelope is made in pieces, and I use score tape to adhere the pieces to make a little envelope. I used Unity paper for that. I love the polka dots. It coordinates with this yellow in the lemons. I love it, the yellow and green theme. Now I'm going to use some glue to adhere the hello that I die cut in black over the white. And I'm also going to use Gina K Designs Connect glue to adhere this cover die that also has some bubbles and circle shapes in it. That was perfect to go along with this paper, I thought. And so I just layered that with flat double-sided tape, and then I'm going to layer the hello and the lemons with foam tape just to make it pop up and give it a little dimension. So that fits nicely into this little mini slimline envelope. And it has a lot of texture to this card. I love it. And so when you pull it out there, it just works perfectly. I think the colors and the circles look great together in the lemon. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like and share if you will, and have a great day.